Hey Scandal Squad, welcome back to the channel Celebrity Scandalous. Before we get into the shenanigans, please hit that like button. Now let's get into the mess. So you guys, everybody's been talking about Diddy and Kanye West, and Kanye West rolled up to the court today in New York. Now, here's the thing. I am hearing from sources, people that are still there, that Kanye West never actually showed up to the court. Allegedly, he landed in Jersey, which y'all know is pretty close, but it is not at the courthouse, right? And he is planning to come to the court, but he was not there today. Now think about this as well. If Kanye West actually pulled up to that court, I mean, there's paparazzi media all up and down that street, you guys. I have been there. I have seen it. His image would have been captured, okay? But now a source close to the family, close to the Combs team, has talked about the fact that Kanye West says that he is planning to come in support of Diddy. So for those of you that don't know, Emily knows everything. She's on Instagram. She was on Armand Wiggins' show this afternoon, and she talked about, she is a source that has inside information about this whole Kanye pulling up to support Diddy thing. So she confirmed that Kanye is allegedly planning on at some point coming to the court to support Diddy, but we just don't know when. She kind of touched on that. It could possibly be as soon as tomorrow, but if not tomorrow, definitely when the defense starts. So here's also an article that was published by CNN News, and I honestly think that Emily is the source, you know, because she has a lot of information and intel on Kanye West. She is literally the SME, but I don't know, but let's just get into it. So this article says Kanye West has been in touch with Sean Diddy Combs' family about possibly attending Combs' ongoing criminal trial to show his support. A source close to Combs, y'all, I think it's Emily, told CNN that West, who goes by Ye, is currently in New York City. He did not attend Thursday's court proceedings, but would like to attend to show support for Diddy, the source says, adding that West has been in touch with Combs' son, Christian King Combs, about attending the trial with the Combs family. Y'all, this is kind of choppy for me because Kings and Combs and But anyway, y'all get the point. Combs' sons have been in court for much of the trial. Yeah, they've been there almost every day. They've only missed a couple of days. Christian Combs and West are currently working on music together, the source added. The individual close to Combs noted West may attend when the defense begins their presentation. Prosecutors in the case have said that their presentation is expected to wrap up next week. I'm hearing it might be like Wednesday or Thursday of next week, that the defense could begin calling their own witnesses soon. I'll be back for a closing as well. West, who has been widely condemned and dropped by most of his representatives and business partners for repeated anti-Semitic hate speech and other controversies in recent years, has offered his support for Diddy since he's been incarcerated in the lead up to his trial. West is one of the few public figures, I guess he's one of the last friends he's got, to show his support for the embattled music mogul, who has been accused of assault or other misconduct with more than 60 cases pending against him. And he's on trial in federal court for criminal charges that include trafficking, racketeering, conspiracy, and transportation to engage in the prostitution. Okay? Combs has denied all wrongdoing and pleaded not guilty to the charges. It's funny when they refer to him as Combs because I'm used to just calling him Diddy. Did he do it? Diddler? Diddy? West posted messages on social media to call for Combs' freedom ahead of his trial. In March, West released a song that featured a phone call recorded from jail between him and Combs. That song also featured Christian Combs and West's daughter with Kim Kardashian. Yeah, you guys remember when Kanye's daughter was on that call or on that song with Diddy, and Kim Kardashian got mad and she got the judge to block it and everything. And he wasn't supposed to release it. He did it anyway. But yeah, he got into a lot of hot water over that. In February, West sparked outrage for selling t-shirts emblazoned with swastikas, which he promoted in a Super Bowl ad. That was crazy. His support for Combs on social media coincided with the firestorm that ensued over his anti-Semitic posts around the same time. Yeah, Kanye was just out there. I have a few videos on Kanye just going off. Going off. A representative for Combs and his son, Christian, declined to comment. West is not known to be working with the public relations representative at this time, and CNN was not able to contact him. And you guys know that Holly Beard is Diddy's publicist, and she's always at the court as well. So I'm sure that they're going to be able to confirm whether or not Kanye's going to be there, but they're saying he's planning to be there. I would love to be there to see. Well, to be honest, I don't give a damn about Kanye. But Emily did drop a couple jewels and say, she said that if he does attend, he will be sitting in the main courtroom with the family. And I'm sure Bianca's going to have to put some clothes on, honey, because they don't just let you roll up in federal court looking any kind of way. Now, I did wear some flip-flops in there one day, but you can't go in there half naked, girl, okay? But anyway, y'all, jump in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up.